Yeah, hi, we are from SOS Embedded. The project title name is AI IoT Women Safety Bangle using Arduino ESP32 with Google Maps GPS, GSM, real-time SOS location tracking, and emergency alert, call alert, SMS alert. And we are using the NA10 cloud server, cloud AI NA10 Google Sheet, Gmail alert, Google Sheet, AI voice alert. So here we are using the NA10 cloud. So this is our webhook, edit field, telegram alert, spreadsheet, and Gmail alert, and voice AI agent with the telegram voice alert. Okay, so go to spreadsheet. So here women in trouble, latitude point, longitude point, and if you press this, it will show you on the Google Maps. Okay, location also it is coming, location alert. And go to the here back, and women in trouble, Gmail alert, women in trouble, location, latitude point, longitude point. If you open this, it will show you on the Google Maps, SVS embedded. Okay, so this is the SVS embedded location point. Okay, so two parts completed. And here telegram alert, open
Women's
this.
safety alert. Person is in trouble. Latitude 17.427433. Longitude 78.585250.
And
The
open
person
this
may
link.
be in trouble and immediate assistance is required.
And open the link. Okay, it will go SVS embedded, and we are getting the SMS alert and as well as call alert. Okay, call alert coming and SMS alert coming. Okay, open this. Okay, widget anyway, and here also SMS alert as well as call alert. Woman in trouble, person in trouble. Okay, so SMS alert, two mobile number, call alert, telegram alert, AI voice alert, and everything. Okay, so here the real-time SOS alert, real-time GPS location, SMS alert, call alert, AI emergency voice alert, ESP wireless, NA10 cloud, telegram alert, telegram voice alert. So let us coming into the block diagram. 5 volts power supply module, Arduino Uno R3 80 mega 328 controller IC board, and GPS GY6M V2 GPS module, GSM SIM 900A for SMS alert, call alert, GPS for location tracking, ESP32, NA10 cloud data sending for the NA10 cloud server, SMS, telegram voice alert and telegram alert, email alert, Google spreadsheet alert. Alarm 1 and alarm 2 16 cross 2 LC display connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and RF receiver module connected to the ST12D A0 to A3 pin numbers, and Bangle part, transmitter part, 9 volts battery, ST12E encoder, and SOS switch button. So this is the Bangle. Okay, Bangle part consists of one battery and on off switch button, red LED on. This is the SOS button, and RF transmitter module with antenna and 7805 regulator, and here the ST12E encoder IC. Okay, so let us coming into the main part. Okay, here we are using RF 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and here we are using GSM SIM 900A for SMS alert and call alert, GSM SIM 900A 5 volts power supply module, and RF receiver module, ST12D and receiver module. Okay, receiver module, and 16 cross 2 LCD display. And here we are using Arduino Uno R3 80 mega 328 controller IC board, and here smart Bangle for women safety using RF, GSM, GPS, Arduino, and waiting for the GPS antenna, GPS module, and alarm 1 and alarm 2. Here we are using Arduino ESP32 module we are using. Okay, so now GPS LED is blinking. Okay, successfully. Press this reset button, we can see the latitude, longitude. Okay, GPS is okay. Initializing GSM modem, initialized successfully. Woman in safe, we can press longer distance also. Okay, woman in trouble, sending SMS. Okay, sending SMS, latitude point, longitude point, sending NA10 Now here telegram alert came, women safety alert, latitude point, longitude point. It will give you the voice alert command. Okay, so sending SMS2 is sending. Okay, so here for voice alert came.
Women's safety alert. Person is in trouble. Latitude 17.427427, longitude 78.585220. The person may be in trouble and immediate assistance is required.
Okay,
Women's safety alert.
call
Person
alert
in
is
trouble.
coming.
Latitude 17.42.
Call alert,
Longitude 7.
call alert. So this GSM module is sending the call to this mobile number. Call number 2, second number calling, first number, this is second number, and here we are going for the second call number. So here also coming, women in trouble, latitude point, longitude point, then Gmail alert. We will go for the Gmail alert is coming. Open this Gmail. Okay, go to Google Maps. Okay, Gmail alert coming, telegram alert coming, and here telegram text message as well
Women's
as
safety alert.
telegram voice
Person
alert.
is in trouble.
AA agent is
Latitude
sending the voice alert,
17.427412,
SMS alert,
longitude
and call alert.
78.585235. The person may be in.
Okay, so here it is coming like this: women in safety, person in trouble, GPS location, latitude point, longitude point, GPS data. Please check the person safety immediately. ESP32 IoT women safety automation with via NA10. Okay, so now it is sending the AI agent is sending the voice alerts. Okay, and this is our total block diagram of the project. So you can check SMS alert, call alert, telegram voice alert, and Google spreadsheet alert, and Gmail alert. Okay, here Gmail alert is coming. Okay, and live location tracking. Okay, so now I am pressing the button. So here you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. So this hotspot is taking the internet from this mobiles. Okay, ESP32 module. Okay, now it is sending the data. SMS came. Okay, so here also it is came, new message came. Okay, sending SMS2, sending the data. Okay, sending data to NA10 server. SMS alert here came. Now it will go for the call alert, calling number 1. Okay, call alert coming, calling number 1. So now it is calling the second mobile number, calling mobile number 2. Okay, now it is calling second mobile number. Okay, you can check it on the Google Sheet. Google Sheet is coming 429. Okay, and email alert, go to email alert. 2 email alerts came. Women safety trouble, view on the Google Maps. Voice alert also came.
Women's safety alert. Person is in trouble. Latitude 17.42704, longitude 78.585289. The person may be in trouble and immediate assistance is required. Women's safety alert. Person is in trouble.
Okay, thanking you. Okay, so now this project I am going to Chennai. Okay, Chennai, some college name. It is for going to parcel the project to Chennai students. Thank you.